Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, we will discuss how to flatten a list of nested lists in Python to create a single, one-dimensional list. This is a common task when working with data structures in Python, and we will provide you with a step-by-step algorithm and code examples to achieve this. Flattening a nested list means converting a list that contains other lists as its elements into a single list. For example, consider the following nested list. The flattened version of this list would be: to flatten a nested list, we can use a recursive algorithm. Here's a step-by-step algorithm to create a flat list from nested lists. Now, let's implement this algorithm in Python with code examples. Let's use the flatten_list function with the provided nested list. This will output the flattened list. You can use the flatten_list function to flatten nested lists of any depth, making it a versatile solution for various data processing tasks in Python. Flattening a nested list in Python can be achieved with a recursive algorithm that traverses the nested structure and extracts individual elements to form a one-dimensional list. The provided code example and algorithm can be used as a foundation for handling nested data structures in your Python programs. ChatGPT.